as living goes, I like it more later.
Get just what you want and more when you need it. With propane electricity from First Choice Power, you just pay as you go. With no deposit, no credit check, and no surprises. Right now, get your account started with $20 in free electricity when you sign up.
How much that, babe?
This declaration
Quítatelo.
Hey, siéntate. You were so funny. Okay, and then.
Now you listen up, Brittany Pam.
Yeah.
You're my last chance. You're going to go to college, and you're going to make something of yourself, and get knocked up by some greasy tweaker from Rancho Cordova.
Oh, gee, Mom, about that, I've kind of been counting back the weeks, and Ronald can't be the daddy.
What?
Yeah, see, he was in a burn unit at the time. He wanted to, but his skin just kept sliding off.
Oh, God. Here comes the corn dog.
So who is the father?
Well, I got it narrowed down.
Oh, dear Lord.
I'll know for sure if she starts speaking Spanish.